In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Access Query. We'll look at two practical approaches depending on whether you just want to hide duplicate rows in your results or you need to permanently remove duplicate records from a table. We'll start with the quick, non-destructive method that most people use, then move on to the method for actually deleting duplicates when cleanup is required. First, to hide duplicates and keep only one instance of each row in your query results, open your query in Design View. Click in the blank gray area of the query window so nothing specific is selected. If you don't see the property sheet on the right, press F4 to open it. In the property sheet, locate the setting called Unique Values and change it to Yes. Now run the query. Behind the scenes, Access applies a Select Distinct, which returns only unique rows based on all the fields you're showing. This is fast, safe, and perfect when you want clean, deduplicated output without altering any tables. Remember, this does not delete data. It only affects what you see in the query results. There's an alternative that produces the same result. With your query still in Design View, click the Totals button, the one with the sigma symbol. Access adds a totals row to each field. Set every field's total row to Group By. When you run the query, Access groups identical rows together, so each set appears just once. Functionally, this behaves like unique values and is equally non-destructive. If your goal is to permanently remove duplicates from a table, start by finding them. Go to the Create tab and choose Query Wizard, then select Find Duplicates Query Wizard. Pick the table you want to analyze and select the fields that define what a duplicate means in your context. Finish the wizard, and Access will show you the records it considers duplicates based on those fields. Take a moment to review the results and confirm they match your expectations. Once you've identified the duplicates, you can delete them. Convert that duplicates query into a delete query, which will remove the matching records from the underlying table, or manually delete the duplicate rows from the results you reviewed. A delete query is especially useful when you need to clear a large number of duplicates efficiently. Always verify the rows to be removed before you run the deletion, so you only target true duplicates. That's it. Two reliable ways to manage duplicates in Access, either by hiding them in your queries or by removing them from your tables when cleanup is needed.